3, 2, 1, start. Paragraph number 14 of the judgment in Himalayan tiles within bracket Supra is also being quoted as below. Thus, the preponderance of judicial opinion seems to favor the view that the definition of person interested must be liberally construed so as to include a body, local authority, or a company for whose benefit the land is acquired and who is bound under an agreement to pay the compensation stop. In our opinion, this view agreement accords with the principles of equity, justice, and good conscience. Stop. How can it be said that a person whose benefit the land is acquired and who is to pay the compensation is not a person interested, even though its stake may be extremely vital? For instance, the land acquisition proceedings may be held to be invalid, and thus a person concerned is completely deprived of the benefit which is proposed to be given to him. Stop. Similarly, if such a person is not heard by the collector or a court, he may have to pay a very heavy compensation, which, in case he is allowed to appear before a court, he could have satisfied it that the compensation was far too heavy, having regard to the nature and extent of the land. Stop. We are therefore unable to agree with the view taken by the Odisha High Court or even by the Calcutta High Court that a company, local authority, or a person or whose benefit the land is acquired is not an interested person. Stop. We are satisfied that such a person is vitally interested both in the title to the property as also in the compensation to be paid. Therefore, because both these factors concern its future course of action, and if decided against him, seriously prejudice his rights. Stop. Moreover, in view of the decision of this court referred to above, we hold that the appellant was undoubtedly a person interested as contemplated by section 18 within bracket 1 of the act. Stop. The High Court therefore committed an error in throwing out the appeal of the appellant on the ground that it had no locus to file an appeal before the bench. Stop. Stanza. The above view taken in Himalayan tiles within bracket Supra was approved in the judgment of the Union of India, and another versus Sher Singh and others within bracket Supra. Stop. From the above judgments, it is very clear that the Honorable Supreme Court treated the beneficiary as a person interested in compensation for the purpose of hearing them at the time of hearing of reference before the court. But the Honorable Court did not observe that the beneficiary of the acquired land will also be treated as person interested for the purpose of filing application for reference either under section 18 or 28A within bracket 3 of the Act 1894 against the award of collector, because proviso of section 50 within bracket 2 of the Act 1894 clearly provides that no such local authority or company shall be entitled to demand a reference under section 18 of the Act 1894 stop. Therefore, there is a specific statutory bar on the part of the beneficiary of acquired land to make any reference under Section 18 of the Act 1894. This court is of the opinion that bar also applies on reference under Section 28A within bracket 3 of the Act 1894 stop stanza. Though this court in the judgment of UP Awas Ivam Vikas Parishad versus Muhammad Yaqub and others within bracket supra observed that appeal under section 54 of the Act 1894 against the award of collector under section 28A of the Act 1894 is not maintainable, but also observed that remedy under section 28A within bracket 3 of the Act 1894 is available to the beneficiary without considering the proviso of section 50 within bracket 2 of the Act 1984 stop. Even though there was no issue before the court in the above judgment whether the application for reference under section 28A within bracket 3 of the Act 1894 is maintainable at the instance of the beneficiary, therefore proviso of section 50 within bracket 2 of the Act 1894 was not placed before the court, and for that reason that could not be considered. Therefore, the above judgment relied upon by respondent number 3 can be said to be per in because of non-consideration of the statutory bar of proviso of section 50 within bracket 2 of the Act 1894 stop over.